Lost in translation? Unlock the language multiverse with Rosetta Stone. Struggling to learn a new language can feel like an uphill battle. You try apps, books, and even crash courses, but the words just don't stick. Whether you're prepping for an international adventure or aiming to connect with loved ones across the globe, language barriers can be frustrating, isolating, and even costly. So, what's the solution to mastering not one, but all the languages you desire? Enter Rosetta Stone. Learn unlimited languages, lifetime access, a game-changing tool that doesn't just teach you words but immerses you in the art of fluency itself. With over 24 languages available, Rosetta Stone takes learning to a whole new level. Forget memorizing random phrases. This program uses Dynamic Immersion, a research-backed method that mimics how we naturally learn language. You'll see, hear, speak, and write your way to fluency in real-world scenarios. The patented TruAccent technology ensures your pronunciation is spot on, giving you the confidence to speak like a native. The best part? You're not tied to a single language, switch freely, and expand your skills with ease. Imagine the savings, both time and money, of never needing another subscription or course again. With lifetime access, Rosetta Stone eliminates the recurring costs that come with most language programs. Its bite-sized lessons fit into your schedule effortlessly, while progress tracking keeps you motivated. Whether you're on the go or offline, you can learn anywhere, anytime. Rosetta Stone doesn't just teach you a language, it equips you to thrive in multilingual settings without breaking the bank. Durability and quality set Rosetta Stone apart. With over 3 decades of research, this award-winning program has been refined to offer an unparalleled learning experience. Lessons are crafted for maximum engagement and retention, ensuring your progress is both steady and enjoyable. The platform works seamlessly across devices, syncing your progress so you never lose momentum. It's built for longevity, just like the skills you'll gain. So, why wait to transform your world? Rosetta Stone doesn't just teach languages, it opens doors to meaningful connections, new adventures, and endless opportunities. Join the millions who've discovered the joy of speaking confidently in another language. With Rosetta Stone, learn unlimited languages, lifetime access. Fluency isn't just a dream, it's your new reality.